All right, so this is by far the easiest way to install wheel studs, and this is the Lisle wheel stud installer. 22800 is the part number for this. Not a necessity, but a nice to have. Watch how quick and easy this is. All right, so there's your wheel stud. You put it through the hole. You put your wheel stud installer on. Put your lug nut on. Get it tight. Now watch right here where it takes that in. Done. All right, so let's do one more real quick. You got your wheel stud, your installer, put your lug nut on, get it tight, and then watch how this thing just takes it in. That's it. Pretty cool little product. All right, so like I said, not a necessity, but a nice to have, and it makes short work of installing these wheel studs. Very, very fast, very easy, and I don't know of another way to do it any quicker than that.